Hi everyone, this is Dr. Navpreet, Nav Sohal as everyone knows me. I'm a professionally trained tarot card, angel card reader, numerologist, astrologer, and a Vastu consultant. I'm a professionally trained healer also. I heal in different modalities like Reiki, past life healing therapies, Serenity Surrender, and Access Bar. I'm an aromatherapist also. So today's episode is all about new wave of coronavirus. जैसे कि आप सब जानते हैं कि कोरोना वायरस बहुत तेजी से फैल रहा है, बट एट द सेम टाइम वी हैव प्रीवियस एक्सपीरियंस जिससे हमने डेफिनेटली कुछ बातें सीखी हैं, जैसे कि इफ़ यू आर स्टिल हियर वी कैन फाइट इट आउट, वी हैव द कैपेसिटी टू फाइट इट आउट एंड कम आउट ऑफ इट. सेकेंडली, प्रिकॉशन एंड प्रिपरेशन आर द कीज. Precaution and preparation can prevent the disease. So, how to fight it out with this virus on 5 different levels, I'm going to talk about that. The first and the foremost level is emotional level. We have to get rid of being emotional clutter and confusion. Matlab, we should not allow emotions like fear, anxiety, confusion and anger to take over us, because ये इमोशंस हमें ठीक से सोचने नहीं देते हैं. लेकिन हमें इस रियलिटी को भी एक्सेप्ट करना होगा कि द लाइफ इज़ नॉट द सेम एनी मोर. कुछ लाइफस्टाइल चेंजेस हैं जो हमें हमारे जीवन का हिस्सा हैं और उन्हें हमें अब एक्सेप्ट करना ही होगा. थिंग्स लाइक सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग एंड हाइजीन हैबिट्स आर द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ आवर रियलिटी नाउ. थर्ड इज अ फिजिकल लेवल. In physical level, first come our eating habits. In eating habits, we must know what food we should avoid eating now. The food we should not consume are like alcohol, extra beverages, fried food. In short, food which take more time to digest and leave more toxins, we should avoid those foods. Instead of that, what we should consume? We should consume more of a healthy food, raw food, which we can digest faster. We can start our day with the warm water, with lemon, amla, neem, turmeric. You can consume any of these or one of them with hot water in the early morning, which actually boost our immunity and very good when taken in the proper quantity. But most important thing is that we should regularly consume them, because when we are changing our chemistry of our body or our digestive system, or trying to boost the digestive system, we must consume it regularly, at least for 3 to 4 weeks to see the better results. I'll say including these habits in our daily life, especially the early morning regime, is going to help you a lot in boosting your immunity. Then on physical level, there is a breathing exercise, pranayam, yoga postures and stretching exercises. Because pranayam and yoga and breathing exercises are directly related to our lungs. This virus directly attacks our lungs, as we all know. So when we do the pranayam or breathing exercises and we regularly do them, this increases our lung capacity. So it helps our body to fight with the virus better and more strongly. Then the second is a yoga postures and stretching. As we know, when we stretch our body, it increases the oxygen levels in our body, and that is also help us to fight with the virus again. And it increase immunity and increase the strength of our body. So I'll strongly suggest that follow some good yoga site, because there are so many available, and you can follow the professionals, you can go through that. But yes, regularly do these practices, it will really help. I personally also practice all these pranayam and stretches and yoga postures, but one of my favorite is one breathing exercise which I'm going to show you today and share with all of you, which is very good to calm our nerves and keep our mind relaxed, because it's very important at these times that our mind stay focused and relaxed. and it can fight with this difficult times better. I'm going to share breathing exercise with you. So I'm going to show you the breathing exercise which I practice, and you can also practice it. It's very good to calm your nerves and keep your mind in control, in the sense keep your mind calmer. So for this we have to sit on the floor. आप अब फ्लोर पे बैठेंगे, कुछ बिछा के बैठ सकते हैं. We have to sit in the cross leg position. We have to keep our palms open and make this mudra. This is the way we are going to make it, and keep it. Close your eyes. We are going to make 3 sounds: a, u and m. जब हम अ बोलेंगे तो हमें यहाँ पे वाइब्रेशंस फील होंगे. जब हम ऊ बोलेंगे तो यहाँ पे, और जब हम बोलेंगे तो यहाँ पे कंठ पे, जहाँ से हम बात करते हैं, थ्रोट. सो I'll do it for you once and then I'll explain further. So these 3 vibrations, these 3 sounds, together we call it Om sound. But this is not some religious practice. It is just a breathing exercise and the sound therapy. So anybody can do it. All we have to be careful about that when we are making a sound we should be focusing on our navel. When we are saying oo, the focus should be on the heart chakra here. And when we say the focus will be on our throat chakra here. So practice it for 11 or 21 times. You can start with 11 times and then increase it to the 21 times, morning and evening. One more time I'm going to do it for you. Only thing we have to be careful about, or you have to keep it in mind when you're practicing this Om, is if you're doing it for 2 seconds so you have to do the oo also 2 seconds and the also 2 seconds. That means कि जो time proportion या time जो आप को दे रहे हैं उतना ही यहाँ पे भी देंगे, उतना ही यहाँ पे. It has to be equally divided. So practice it. Friends, सबसे बड़ा लेसन जो हमें कोरोना ने सिखाया है वो ये है कि we are all a part of a bigger ecosystem. We, not only as you people, but animal life, plant life and environment. So the more we respect the other beings and every being, the more we have chances to survive as a species. I wish and pray safety for all of you and your families.